Why M365 PROS? We are a group of Microsoft certified professionals with more than 10 plus years of experience, each providing support, consultation, and management service for SMBs to manage and secure their M365 environment. We have learned from our experience of working with various businesses from the USA, Canada, Australia, the UK, and more, that managing Microsoft 365 services can be challenging for small and medium business owners as their companies expand. This is because Microsoft 365 is not just an email service, but rather a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help businesses run smoothly. From productivity tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, to collaboration tools like Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive cloud storage, Microsoft 365 offers a wide range of features. Our goal is to help businesses ensure that all of these M365 services are secure so that their employees can access them and their company data remains protected. We have worked on hundreds of Microsoft 365 tenants and entertained different business requirements. The best part is all who are associated with M365 PROS are certified M365 professionals, and we know what our clients are looking for, and that is security and their precious time so that they can focus more on growing their own business without worrying about cyber threats. Cyber threats can ruin your business, but you don't have to spend a fortune to avoid them. It's not just a smart move, it's a must-have in today's online world. You don't have to break the bank to protect your future. Get incredible value with Microsoft 365 Business Premium to start your security journey so you can relax and boost your business's resilience against evolving cyber threats.